What's up, everyone? My name is Brian, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make money over $1,000 a day with free AI tools that help you automate product sales that you don't even have to fulfill. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, I'm going to give you a bunch of free stuff that takes you through step by step everything you need to do to start earning money with AI and ChatGPT. And again, all of this is 100% free. And you can do this as a complete beginner from anywhere in the world. So inside this video, I'm going to show you the roadmap that will show you how to get started. It's going to be in checklist format, step by step. So you're going to be getting a bunch of pre-made videos, pre-made content that already has built-in stuff you can post on social media. I'm going to give you a bunch of long-form videos that you can start replicating. I'm going to give you a bunch of pre-made, pre-written emails that you can start sending out to these different tools, and a ton of other stuff included for free. A bunch of AI tools that will allow you to send emails automated for automated follow-ups. And you can even build landing pages and websites and funnels. And a bunch of other cool stuff that I will show you right now. So if you want the link to get started, just click on the comment below, like and subscribe, and I will send you the link. And it's going to be 100% free. All you have to do to get access is just drop a comment, like and subscribe, and like I said, leave a comment, and I'll send you the link to get started. And so let's get going. I'm going to show you how to do this. So here's the course. So we show you step by step what to do. We have the affiliate portal. You can join our Discord community right here. So we have our Discord community. We show you how to get started with a sub account. What is a snapshot? All that good stuff. Emails a day. We show you how to set up your social media profiles, how to make an Instagram account, Facebook account, how to post a story, all that good stuff. How to get started on Radar. So Radar is pretty cool. It's actually right here. What it does is you can plug in all your social media channels, and then what it will do for you is it'll post to all those channels for you. So here's this checklist, the step-by-step checklist. So we show you the tools you need to get. First is Go High Level. That has a 30-day free trial. So it's free for the first 30 days. The second tool you're going to want is Radar. That also has a free trial. Like I said, that's basically your social media posting tool. Then you have all these other tools. You can get them over time, step by step. Which one is these first few tools right away? You're also going to want to get Loom or OBS. And then, of course, you're going to want Canva. And I suggest you get into the lifetime Canva. Go to Fiverr, ask for the lifetime Canva. It's discounted. Anyways, there's also Pabbly you'll want for automations, a bunch of other stuff. But if you want to get started for free, those are the only tools you need. And then we have short form videos, long form videos, emails. We have community posts you can do, carousels, live streams. And these are the accounts you want to get started with right away. You want to get these set up. So you want YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You want at least these 4 accounts to post at least once a day. So you want to post a video at least once a day on each of these. So if you can do these, then later on you can do Threads, Facebook groups, Discord, X, Google My Business, Pinterest, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. But personally, I just use YouTube right now. YouTube and TikTok, that's what I do. But you can do more. So then we teach you how to use Go High Level. We teach you how to do the sub account, how to create sub accounts if you want. You can also create a homepage, create websites, funnels if you want, thank you pages, physical service pages. So you can also do virtual products and virtual offers as well. So you can create offers in there, we create all kinds of products. Then we have the high level automated email service. We have daily manual emails, 7-day email sequence. We actually have a 60-day email follow-up sequence you can do. We have the phone service, so you can text and call from there. We also have ringless voice drops. That's pretty cool. Then we have Radar, which is a social media posting tool. And then CapCut, you want to be able to make and edit videos. So CapCut is good for that. And then, of course, these other tools. Then Shineify, ShineRanker, ManyChat, Canva. You're going to want Canva, OBS, all this good stuff. And then the free content. So here's some free content for... So we have some snapshots. These are for GHL. And then I will show you actually how to get these set up. This is all the content. So we have emails, pre-written emails that you can send out to your subscribers or your email list if you have one. So it's pre-written. We got basically 113 of them. You can spread it out to one a day. So that's 113 days basically. I would spread it out to 6 months if I were you. Maybe do one every 3 days. Or you can do one every day if you want. So we show you how to do that. That is free, and you can also make it automated. So it does it, automatically. AI does it. So we have Instagram Reels. You can use this content. It's all in the Google Drive. All you gotta do is change it up a little bit, and then you can post it. You can repost it, do all that good stuff. We have long form content you can use. You can use all these videos. All you gotta do is change out the music, and then it's original content once again. And then we have Instagram images. We have all these AI tools that you're gonna wanna use over time. So tons of AI tools. I use some of them. A lot of them are free for the first, 14 to 30 days. So Opus Clips is really good. You can do Opus Clips for shorts, Jasper, all kinds of good stuff. You can even use just regular ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT every day. There's all these kind of cool tools in here. They got Canva, all kinds of good stuff. They even do thumbnails and all kinds of good stuff. So I did a thumbnail earlier today, and it was amazing. Came out pretty good. Anyways, so back to the checklist. One thing you can do with me is book a call. Book a call. Where'd it go? Well, anyways, so there's tons of resources here, tons of content you can use, and to get business, to get new subscribers. And we show you how to do that, how to get started. Like I said, you can book a call with me. I'll spend the first 45 minutes with you, how to get started, all that good stuff, and get you going. And there's tons of resources. We'll show you how to make $1,000 a day. A lot of people start out just making $100 a day. Then you can move on from there. You could actually build a course and go high level. You can build courses. You can have offers. You can have virtual offers. You can have a course for something else that you're good at. So we show you how to do affiliate marketing, and basically sell other people's stuff, like go high level. There's other things you can sell as well. But anyways, the opportunities are endless. The only limitation is your mind and your mindset. I suggest you just get started, try it out. A lot of people are making money at this. It's easy to make $1,000 a day. So just think about that. $1,000 a day. Let's say you only did it 15 days a month. That's still $15,000. That's pretty good. That's better than most jobs out there. Anyways, you can go to companies and show them. Actually, let me show you this system. So this is Go High Level. Go High Level right here. We have what's called no call text back, no answer text back. So it's actually right here. So let's say you signed up a tree service. If someone called the tree service, they can have what's called no call text back. That means if they didn't answer the phone, the system would text back the person that called, and it would say, "Hey, sorry, I'm in a tree right now. Can I call you back?" And the person would wait for them to call them back. They wouldn't be calling other tree services. So you can do that with other, like hairstylists. A lot of people call hairstylists and ask them, "Hey, are you busy? Can you book me? Can I come in 20 minutes?" Well, you can say, "Sorry, I'm cutting hair right now. Can I call you right back?" So the system will text back the caller, and they'll get this text on their cell phone. And so because they got this text, they'll say, okay, this person's going to help me out, and they'll wait. So you could sell this to businesses for $50 to $100 a month. Plus we have the website that can go along with it. Plus you can have there's a calendar that goes along with this. So you can sell the calendar and then no call text back. There's all kinds of businesses that can't answer the phone because a lot of times they get too busy. There's businesses, restaurants, hairstylists, barbershops, landscapers, all kinds of service businesses that, they get too busy. They can't answer the phone. So that's just one thing you can sell. One thing right there. So within the system, we have all these automations. We have marketing. We have all these funnels you can use. All these funnels. And then we have websites you can use as well to promote your business and, make money every day. We'll show you how to get traffic to your websites. Part of that, the free way is you can do social media content and then you can get leads for free. So the cool thing is you can do websites for car washes, basically any business out there. Any service business can use this. But the cool thing is, like I said, you can build websites, build funnels. You can sell these services if you want and make extra money. Like you can bundle this up if you want. When we're on the call, I can give you ideas how to bundle it and make anywhere from $97 to $500 a month just bundling offers. Like you can do automations. We even have in here under marketing, we have a social media posting tool, which is right here in your social media planner. You can connect all your social media in here, and your YouTube, TikTok, all that good stuff. Google My Business, LinkedIn. You can connect all that up in here and schedule your postings. You can do that. You can even do a membership course. You can do a membership, kind of like school, but better because it's already built into here. So you can do a course. You can build out a course. Like let's say you want to teach someone how to do something that you're really good at. So I'd say build a course and sell it. You could sell it for $9 a month, or let's say $500 a year, whatever. And so what you do is go to products. You're going to build a course. Like these are some courses that we've built, and then you can sell them. You can sell them if you want. So we have an onboarding videos as well that you can go through. So like the 30-day leads challenge. So like you can sell this if you wanted to. 30-day leads challenge. It shows realtors how to get more leads for their real estate business. And so here's the offer. You can set a price on it and set a price. You can either do by month, do a subscription offer, or like you can have a membership. You do like $9 a month or $30 a month, and then you can sell it, or do just a one-time charge. Let's say $97. So this is one thing you can sell. There's also other affiliate programs in there. We have a boot camp. We have all kinds of other things. We have our affiliate partner program. We have our 30-day leads challenge, and then we have our Shinify course, as well as all these tools and other affiliate programs. So, hey, if you want to get started, click on the link below. I'll help you get started. We'll do a 45-minute Zoom, and then we have weekly Zooms every week. And that's about it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.